Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 5 of programming in HTML5 basic paragraphs. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the finder, navigate to the document. We have a folder called HTML5. Click on this, double click, right click, index.html, open with, text edit, close out the finder, increase the size of the file in text edit, command plus a couple of times, and now remove the heading. This is heading. Command X to cut. Go to your dock, click on Launchpad, open up the Word document, blank document, paste the code, and now save the file to save the code for later. Save. We can now close out of the Word document as we have the code saved. And now within the body, insert a HTML paragraph less than P greater than. This is a paragraph. And now we can highlight this. Command C. Go to the next line, Command V, paste. This is another paragraph. Command S to save. Go to Finder, Document, HTML5, right click, open with, Safari. And now on screen we can see this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph. Close out of Safari, close out of Finder, and we know that the HTML paragraphs are defined with the P tag. If there were no P tags, there would be no way to insert a paragraph and then view the paragraph on your web browser. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.